you will start losing fat finally and hit your goals once you realize this one thing. And this one thing is you have to associate yourself with an identity instead of an action. So associating yourself with an identity is saying na I am a person who works out consistently. Instead of associating yourself with the action na nagkakaroon pa ng negotiation. Example nito. So let's say, medyo late ka nagising. Ang plan mo is to work out 6 a.m. Nagising ka na 7. Ngayon nagkakaroon pa ng internal negotiation sa utak mo na, okay, I should be working out right now, pero hindi. So baka mamaya na lang. So you allow yourself for the workout to be a yes or no, when in fact, automatically dapat yes yan. So itong mindset shift na to, it affects all areas sa fat loss mo, which is yung training, nutrition, and recovery. Pagdating naman sa nutrition, you have to say to yourself, I am a person who eats whole foods. I am a person who eats high protein meals. Sa recovery naman, I am a person who regularly sleeps by 10 p.m. Once you start associating yourself with the identity, nawawala na yung mental fatigue, yung decision fatigue, and hindi nauubos yung mental energy mo kaka-decide, okay, kailangan ko bang gawin to? Gagawin ko na ba to ngayon or mamaya pa? Di ba? Ang gulo. So you have to associate yourself with an identity.